Steps to take in case of ship damage. Introduction. Ship damage from collision, grounding, or flooding can affect the vessel's stability and safety. Immediate action is needed to control the situation and regain stability. Ang kadaot sa barko tungod sa bangga, grounding o pagbaha mahimong makapekto sa lig-on o kaluwasan sa barko. Maong kinahanglan dayon og aksyon aron makontrol ang sitwasyon. Actions taken during ship damage. The crew must raise the alarm, inform the master, and identify the damage area. Watertight doors and openings should be closed to prevent further flooding. Emergency teams assess the damage and follow the ship's damage control plan. Kinahanglan mo plano og alarma ang crew, mapahibalo sa kapitan o susihon ang nadaot nga party sa barko. Then atong sarad-an ang watertight doors aron malikayan ang dugang nga pagbaha ug sundon ang damage control plan. Actions to regain stability. Stability may be restored by counter-flooding to reduce leaks, transferring ballast or cargo, pumping out flooded compartments, reducing free surface effect, adjusting course and speed, and ship stability can be checked using GM equals km minus kg. A positive GM means the ship remains stable.
Counter-checking effectiveness. The crew must monitor keel, angle, draft, trim, and flooding levels. Stability calculation and tank surroundings are used to confirm if the cooperative action are effective. So, kinahanglan kanunay batayan sa crew ang keel, angle, draft, trim, ug level sa pagbaha gamit usab kay stability calculation ug tank surroundings aron masiguro ang pagka-epektibo sa ijahang action. So, conclusion. Proper damage control and continuous monitoring are important to regain stability, prevent further damage, and ensure safety of the ship and crew. So ang damage, para makontrol ang damage o padayon ang monitor, importante aron mabalik ang pagka-stable sa barko para malikayan ang dugang kadaot.